Hey gorgeous, it's Jessica Joy. This is your full body HIIT circuit. All you're going to need is a water bottle. You can do this while you're traveling. You can do this pretty much anywhere, and you're going to get an amazing sweat. You're going to get strength training all in 20 to 30 minutes. So let's do this. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe because I'm dropping more videos every Thursday. All right, let's get started with our warm up together. We're starting with a jog in 3, 2, and a 1. Jog. However you like to jog, you get a jog. If you like to march, you get to march. And I will explain everything while we're warming up. If you're new here, welcome. You are going to love it. If you're an oldie but a goodie, then welcome back. I love seeing you, love having you. Let's have an awesome workout. All right, whoop, whoop. Keep it jogging. 3 more seconds of jogging. All right, we're gonna take it to a wide squat. Then you're going to actually tap out in front of this other foot and then straighten the legs for a flat back. Down to the squat, tap it the other way. Ooh, straighten the legs, flat back. Back down, booty goes down, tap to the squat, flat back. So it's like a wide flat back, booty goes down. All right, we got 5 seconds left, really warming up those legs right here. Okay, next we're going to a lunge, whew, and then you're gonna fan it open and lunge the other side. You can add a little twist open if you want a little bit something extra. All right, so making those arms nice and big. We want to be waking up the whole body in every plane of motion. Forward, backward, side to side, and a twist. Okay, now all my warm-ups have all of those in them. So next we take it to a plank. Shoulders right over the wrists. You're gonna do 2 fist bumps. Push it back to down dog, get a stretch on the back of the legs, and then hover right back to plank. Fist bump, fist bump. Yeah, yeah. If you want to do the fist bumps on your knees, then do them on your knees. All right, we got 3 seconds left, and then it's back to the top. Boom. Okay, step it in, come up nice and gently, jog it out. Whew. Alrighty. If you're not in the mood to work out, if you're not feeling this, I want to give you some space to let that out. Okay, I want you to moan, I want you to whine, I want you to be like, ugh, I don't want to do this. Okay, just let all of it out. Okay, happens to us all. Getting started can be challenging. It happens to me too. All right, wide squat, cross, back, extend the front legs to flat back. Drop the booty, cross. Don't lock the knees though. All right. So I would say about once a week. For me, it's definitely, if it's more often for you, that's totally fine. I don't want to work out. Even how I design the workouts to be fun. Whew. So fan lunge. Whew. So you're lunging facing this way. Choo, 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 choo. And then 180 degrees facing the other way. Say hi to both sides. Hey, it's Bank of America. And then some other lovely skyline over there. All right, have the twist if you want. Give yourself a little hip hop. Nice and big. Okay, 3, 2, 1, to the 2 fist bumps and the down dog. Ah, booty in the sky. All right, they say hips to the sky. That sounds a little more eloquent. We'll keep it there. All right, core's really engaged on that plank. Pull it in, yes, okay. And back to the down dog. I got 3, 2, 1. Warm up is done. You are always welcome to do your own warm up, but I find that it helps us get into the workout. If we can warm up together, get past the hump of, oh, I don't want to be here. Really, once you do the warm up plus a few of the first exercises, you'll get over that hump. Endorphins will start to flow and you'll be able to do your workout in a much happier state. And that can accelerate by letting out the whining early, okay? I totally feel you. It's time to get fierce, have fun, and then be done. Okay, 8 exercises, each we do for 50 seconds and then take a 10-second break. All right, so preview of the first exercise. You have your water bottle of choice. You're going to step forward with your right leg, lunge it down, pass it, step it back, same leg, right leg goes back, ran out of space, and then lower straight down, pass it. We're staying on the right leg for the first exercise. Yeah, get your water bottle ready. 3, 2, 1. Okay, step forward, whoop, step forward, lunging straight down. Your chest isn't coming forward. Push back, whew, same leg, lunge back. Boom. Okay, so keep that going, making sure knee isn't going over the toe. If you think about lowering straight down, that won't happen. Whew. Then make sure you get a nice big step out. I like that stretch right there. Okay, and back. Can squeeze the booty right there. Boom. Oh, I'm forgetting my passes. Okay, so if you had a weight, a dumbbell, you could be passing a dumbbell here if you wanted more resistance, or you could actually be holding 2 dumbbells. Okay, it depends on what you have that day, or maybe whatever you just feel like doing, okay? So we're gonna take it to a Superman with a pass. Take it on your tummy, choop choop. Squeeze the legs together and up. You're going to pass the water bottle over your booty and up, and then go the other direction. Once you've gone both directions, lower down. All right. Pass. Other way and a pass. Squeeze the shoulder blades while you're passing it over your booty. Lower down. Don't pick up the heels too high because you don't want to be tweaking your lower back. Okay, I'd rather you actually focus on lifting up the chest and squeezing the shoulder blades. We're to 10 seconds. Squeeze, squeeze. Oh, Superman. You were heroic today, all right? Really, all you do in your life is you being a hero. You do so much. I know you. All right, so we're taking it to the pendulum lunge. Other side. Okay. Step it forward. Rump and back. Okay. Get a nice rhythm. All right. If you don't have a timer and you want to use these workouts, you can always count reps. Okay. So for these, I would do 10 to 12. And then for the other ones, you want to go to a point where you're starting to get fatigued, where it's starting to get challenging. Okay. And then just keep going, take a little break in between each exercise. The shorter the break between the moves, the more cardio work you're gonna get. We got 3 seconds. Lunge. Okay, nice. Okay, switch kick or high kicks with a pass. So it's gonna look like this. Ready, go. So you can kick it under and pass, or you can do a little hop at it right there. I like to do about 10 hops and then take it to kicks for a while and then get back to the hops, or to the hops. You can see how fast you can get. Have a little fun with it and then take it to kicks. And you do you. Okay, this is your time. You know where you're at. If you want to try to hit 2, it's like, whoa, I did 2. Then you gotta celebrate that too, okay? Don't go comparing yourself to me or to who you used to be or who you want to be. Compare yourself to where you were yesterday, okay? And guess what? You're gonna be fitter than you were yesterday. Ha! Proud moment. Rest. I'm really enjoying this water bottle. It's so light. Alrighty, go down to the mat. You got big scissor legs. Whoop, with a pass. So you're gonna sit up, whoop, split the legs and pass it. Helicopter right over us. Woohoo! Yes, I'm imagining you're here. We're in it together. We got 30 seconds. Nice and strong. If this is too much, then you can do these, okay? And you can even rest your head, okay? Go to the level for you so that you can enjoy your workout while getting a workout, all right? So 5 seconds. Oops. Ah, the sit-up, Jess, let's go. That felt good. All right, we're taking it to a push-up. I'll show you what to do with the water bottle. Okay, move it, okay. The water bottle's to the outside of the hand. Go to plank, push-up. You're gonna wanna widen your stance a little bit. Take the water bottle, put it to the outside of the other hand. Push up. Pass it over here. Push up. Get over here. Okay, my water bottle's empty. It's getting rolly. Okay, and then of course, you can be on your knees. That's where you're at. All right. If you are on your knees, make sure you tuck your booty down so you're in a straight body line. Over here. There we go. 3, 2, 1, and done. Ow, ow. 2 left. 2 left. Awesome work. Whew. I'm gonna take it to some hip ups with a pass. Pick up those hips, pass your water bottle, and down. Okay, there's a little secret about hip ups. I want you to squeeze so tight and really lift those hips up, just that extra centimeter at the top. Okay, really squeeze it with all you got. Okay, get the last drop of juice out. Want the blazes. Okay. Okay, envision your beauty. It's this beautiful moon. It's gorgeous. Alrighty, got 10 seconds. You can actually do these really fast. You could also use a weight here. Use a dumbbell if you have access to those. Whew. Bring it up. Last one. It's a squat with a pass through. It's gonna look kind of like a sweet basketball move. So pass it through the legs. You can start with hops, or you can take it to little pulses. Just making sure we're not hunching over. Even if you're tired, I'd rather you take a break, rest, and keep your chest up, okay? Hoop, 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 shoop-a-doop. And then you're gonna switch directions. My booty, it's burning. Oh my gosh. 20 seconds, it's nothing. 20 seconds, 15 seconds. Holy burnza. What is going on? I can do this, you can do this. Remember, it's easy, flowing, yeah. Easy. 3, 2, 1, 0. Oh, made the basket. It's a burner at the end. Okay, awesome work. So that's round 1. Definitely hit a second round. When you hit that second round, get music on, get headphones, get something playing so that you can really get in the zone and really enjoy the workout. Okay, and then you can just watch me. You don't have to listen unless you want to. And then if you can, hit a third round and really go for it. Yows! Awesome work. We'll see you on the next one. Make sure to share this video if you like it so more people can get fit with a water bottle, okay? Whatever you have, you can make it work, and I got your back, okay? You're gonna feel amazing after this workout. You're going to start loving how you're seeing your body change in the mirror when you work out consistently, and you're just gonna feel so joyful from the inside out. Love you. See you on the next one.